Oh man, what did I do to you? You poor bastard. Josh said here, Foolhardy photography, and chances are you're not holding your camera wrong. I just did that thing where YouTubers sort of title their video to confuse and irritate you. You know, like 9 reasons why you're probably dying right now. What? Oh my god! No, chances are you're not holding your camera wrong. I mean, really, like, I've heard a lot of photography educators on YouTube talk about how often they see people hold their cameras wrong. I'm like, really? Like, the grip, like, it looks like cameras has pretty much stayed the same for a long time. Maybe if you're like totally new, yeah, okay, fine, you've never held a camera before. Oh my god, a camera! This must be how you use it. Maybe like this. Clearly, this is how you do it. One time, I gave my camera to a friend, and they held it like this, which still works, okay? But yeah, I get it. It's not exactly the way you're supposed to. I mean, rationally, this is the grip, here's the thing, place it here. In most lighting situations, most people know how to hold a camera. You know, you hold it like this, you take a shot, you adjust the lens, you zoom in, you zoom out, you adjust the focus, whatever you need to do. And in most situations, it's fine just holding it like this. You know, like taking a shot, boom, you're pretty good. Okay, if it's low light situation, you need a little extra sort of stability. Well, yeah, just put your arm flat, hold it to you, stick it to your eye, hold it real tight, and boom, 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 take multiple shots, you're probably good. You know, like how many idiots can't hold a f***ing camera, you know what I mean? It's like super easy to hold. Anyways, to sum it up, you're probably not holding your camera wrong. And if you see those videos online, it like makes you feel like you're doing something stupid because they're telling you like you're being an idiot or 5 reasons why you suck at everything. It's probably just clickbait, you know? But it's really easy to hold a camera, you know? Most people, it's pretty self-explanatory. Buttons here, zoom, all good, all good. Anyways, thanks for watching. I'm Josh Zed. Hope you learned something, and if you would like to, you can subscribe, like my videos, share them, and definitely comment. That if you do, you know, ask questions. I appreciate it. Cheers. I'm an artist.